What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of CHA Racing. Today, I'm going to be installing a Radium catch can. I got it over there. It came in the mail the other day. To possibly fix an issue we've got. So, we've got a catch can, but it's on the PCV side or whatnot. We need to get the one. I guess Radium has a dual catch can setup. In which you can get one side over here and then one that sits over there by the battery somewhere in that area. I've already got the Mishimoto one. I guess it kind of drains a little bit, or just drain every once in a while. But this one, what we're having an issue is we're getting ventilation through. It was going, and you can see that I capped it off so that it stopped throwing oil in there. But it would come through here, oil would get in, then it would try to pre-oil the turbo, come through the intercooler, and then blow out through the blow-off valve. So we're trying to avoid that. Well, I tried to avoid it myself. And I just tried to put a little, there it is right there, a little vent coming from the back to that vent. Well, that vent started filling up with oil and then started just shooting oil all over this side. Coming through the hood vents and then on my windshield. Because previously it was an issue on this side where it would cover the whole oil because it would come out of the blow-off valve and then shoot out. That's been fixed. Now it's over here and shooting right in my line of sight. So it's annoying. We're trying to just catch oil stuff. Anyway, we got the dual radium, not the dual, but the single Radium catch can over there. So we're going to install that. Let's get to it. That didn't take long. They ended up sending me the PCV side, in which I've already got, for over here. I need the one for over here for the crankcase ventilation, not the PCV ventilation. I got a PCV valve on order anyway. I'm going with the 15 Forester WRX setup, so I can change that anyway. I'm gonna contact them and see what they can do to get this one sent and how they want me to send that one back. But that was short-lived. I'll have to order it, and then it would probably be another like 4 or 5 days before it comes in. But none of the stuff was lining up. It looks like to be good quality though, but none of the stuff was lining up. None of the holes. The bracket looked backwards, and I couldn't figure it out. And then I realized it goes from that bolt, and then right where the ground is, and then these wires kick over to the side, and then it sits in here, and then runs over, which is a nice setup. Compared to the Mishimoto ones. Kind of simple, but it works. But I guess we'll try this again in a week and see how it goes. Let's try this again. I did contact 86 Speed, and I told them that I got the wrong side for the catch can. I guess apparently you need to make it very specific that you want either the PCV side or the crankcase side. Instead of returning the ones that I had, in which I couldn't, I got both. So now I got a dual catch can by Radium. All right, so let's see. Check your part numbers for sure. This is 200901, and I believe this is, 200902. So you need to be specific on which side you need to order. When I put it in the cart, I guess I put it, if you buy the dual kit, it comes as a 200903, I believe, which means it's both. And when I contacted 86 Speed and I told them, I was like, hey, look, I got the wrong one. They said, did you open it? Yep, I opened it. There it is right there. There's a seal. So as soon as you open that seal, it is yours. So I tried to return it, and they're not able to. I understand it's cool with it or whatever it is. But yeah, now I have both sides. They were cool enough. I explained the situation. I told them the part number.
They said, yeah, you ordered this one, not that one. I was like, all right, whatever. They were cool, though. They gave me a credit, basically a discount, a credit on my account. So when I purchased this one, the crankcase side that I needed, it was a discounted rate. Also, if you look on the box, there's your CCV. That's crankcase valve, I guess, or crankcase. I just pay attention to CC. Crankcase. This one right here, PCV. So make sure you get what you get, or you're ordering what you want. Also, the brackets for both of them are going to be different. I already put it comes with the bracket off, and then you just got to put those four little nuts in there. But yeah, it came with it, and the brackets are different, so it does matter, because I didn't think it would matter, but it does, obviously. So I'm thinking the only difference between the kit is maybe a couple little small bits, but basically the orientation of this bracket. And I figured maybe you could flip the bracket, but that's not even possible because it's got that big little kink in it. So we're gonna try this again, but yeah, we'll get the camera set up and we'll try to get, I don't know what side we'll do first. We'll probably do that side first, because that one apparently is the bigger pain, at least I think. And then we'll do this side. Also, I picked up, and it's actually kind of hard to get because nobody had it in line or online in stock. The PCV valve, I grabbed one from the 2015, what is it, the WRX or the 2015 Forester. So I had to order that. It took like a week. I just put myself on a waiting list. It came in, I ordered it immediately, and it's cheap enough. Like, why not? So just doing all of it together, we can do it at the same time. I finally got the old piping off, or the old hosing off to the Mishimoto kit. The hoses ran from here to here, and then from here down to the PCV. Getting that last bolt off the PCV is way, oh, there it is. It doesn't look like it's difficult, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. Trying to unscrew it, but once you have it unscrewed and loosened, it'll come right out. So I'm gonna pull that one out and then replace that with the Forester / WRX one. All right, so getting this thing out wasn't too bad. This is the, I want to say the OEM one. I can't remember changing this over to a 15-ish one, but yeah, that might be the OEM one. This is the Forester one. They're about the same. One's just a little bit longer, I guess. This is a little bit shorter. It kind of came out with no issues. Going down on there, I just took where is it? Oh, there it is. I took a 19 and put it on a little swivel, 19 deep, and then put it on a swivel and just kind of popped it out and then unscrewed it. By hand, came right out, so good. Let's progress forward. All right, great success. It's kind of a pain by yourself trying to like record and do stuff and whatnot, but we got this side over here hooked up. Kind of weird. I was kind of confused as to why this would still swivel. I tightened it down, but I think it's on like a banjo or whatever you want to call it, where it just swivels around. Oh yeah, look at that. See, this is why you go over things. I gotta get a hose clamp right there. But there's a hose clamp on the bottom on the PCV. It comes up, comes to the top, bottom goes around, and then under the intake, in which I put a hose clamp on that one as well. I still need to remove that guy from Mishimoto, just so it's out of the way. I don't need that weight in my life, right? This side seemed to go on quite a bit easier. Just get those bolts out, hook them up, just fine. Top goes around, connects to the little adapter that they give you with the kit. Also put the hose clamps on there just to be safe. Bottom goes down, goes around, goes into the intake. But I know this thing's gonna fill up, I know it. I actually have the little petcock or whatever it's called, a little quick drain valve, but you know, I'm not about that life right now. I'll do it later on, see how bad it gets. But I'll be able to check it with the level here, pull that out, and be able to see how much is in there. It's not gonna be too big of a pain to get under there and just unscrew it, dump it out, and then be back on track. So, yeah, this is all complete, essentially. We have another issue with, I think the exhaust is leaking. So I ordered a whole new set of gaskets. Oh, yeah, there. Grim Speed. So got a whole other set of gaskets to put on here. And then talked to Dallin. He said put some of that copper stuff on either side. Let it get kind of dry and then put it in there and then tighten it. So we're going to do that. I don't know if we're going to do it today or tomorrow or I don't know. We'll figure it out. But other than that, this is kind of the end of this video. Appreciate you guys watching. We're going to have some, well, I guess I'm going to have some more stuff coming up on this. I'm actually probably going to do a, let me go over here so you can see. The sun's too bright. Probably going to do like a walk around on that thing, on the Acura, because I see there's not many videos of those cars. And a lot of people don't even know what it is. They say Acura TL? Like, no, it's an RL. So I'll kind of do a video kind of explaining that thing in the near future and kind of the problems with that. Love the car, it's a great car, but just got a few little issues. But other than that, appreciate you guys watching. And I'm gonna try to upload a little bit more, at least a little bit more often. Probably won't be like I was before, like every other week or every week or something, but I'll get something every once in a while. But appreciate it. If you guys could subscribe, if you haven't already subscribed, and give the video a thumbs up, I appreciate it, okay? I love you guys. Goodbye.